what do you think about doing things that won't generate money and it's a side hobby? Um, I think that if you do what you really love doing, even if it is a hobby, there is always a way to be able to turn that hobby into a full-time gig. You just might not realize it yet. You know, a lot of musicians, artists, as well as athletes, obviously take a hobby when they're younger and turn it into a real thing. But you can do the same thing as well when it comes to programming or playing around with creating PowerPoint presentations or Photoshop documents and all that. If you enjoy that sort of thing, and I certainly do, you can go to Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr.com. And what you can do is you can start charging for that service. You can do the same thing at Upwork as well. So I think that you can turn your hobby into your full-time gig. The trick is, though, that once you make it your full-time job, your side hustle and your hobby, make sure you still see it as a hobby. Like, take time off, at least one day a week. Otherwise, it will turn into a job. So you got to remember why you fell in love with that hobby to begin with. So, yeah. And we change over time, too. Like, whatever your passion is when you're in your 20s or 30s, it can change by the time you're in your 40s or 50s, whatever it is. And that's okay, because the average age for somebody starting a new company in America is 52. And that's going up every single year. And the life expectancy of the average person in the world now is 26 years longer than it was in the 1950s. That means you're all 26 years younger than you think. So you can always recreate yourself, reinvent yourself, turn your hobbies into your hustles or side hustles at any point in your life. It's never too late to start over.